Morning children, welcome to today's maths class. Last class had given you homework to identify these shapes from the materials we use at home. Yes, so we wrote this is a square, this is a cylinder, the book again uses a cuboid, the tent takes the shape of a cone, and the marble takes the shape of a sphere. Okay, this activity I asked you to do at home. Take a paper, pencil, take these shapes if you have them at home and to draw them over the paper. Yes, so this would take again a cylinder, cube, cuboid. Yes, this was the follow-up given for you last class. Moving on to this week, we're going to see topic on roll or slide. Welcome to the new month of November. Just 1 month away from Christmas. Have a nice blessed month. Okay, this week we are going to do roll or slide. Okay, now we are given an activity over here. You can try them at home and see. They're saying take if you have, they ask us to do it in school. If we're in school, we could have done it. Take shapes, sphere, cylinder, cube, or a cone or cuboid. Keep them on the floor and see if it is sliding. It is sliding or rolling. Okay. Now, if we take a circle, if we take a ball, has a flat surface. A ball has a curved surface. Only a curved surface. Only a curved surface. Curved face. So it can roll, but it cannot slide. It can roll, but it cannot slide. Yes. Next, we're talking about a square. Shapes that have only flat faces can slide but cannot roll. Shapes that have flat surfaces can slide but cannot roll. Now, if you take this book, we take this as a slide, you can see the book can slide. The book can slide because it has flat faces. Okay, so the book can slide but it cannot roll. Yes. Now, if we take shapes like cylinder and cone, I'm taking the same part to show as a slide. It can see this, the end is flat, so it can slide. Okay, the end is flat, so this is too heavy. I'm using a tape. Okay, see, the end can slide and it can roll also. Yes, so examples of cylinder and cone can roll and they can slide. But figures like cube, cuboid, square, rectangle can only slide. They cannot roll because they have all flat faces. But shapes like ball and circular objects, they can only roll. They cannot slide because they don't have flat faces to slide. Okay. Now, based on that, they have given us 6 questions over here. and they're asking us to see if it can slide or roll. Can these objects roll or slide? Put tick if it can and cross if it cannot. Now this is a shape of a cylinder. It has a flat face, it has a curved face, and it also has a flat face. So it can roll, it can slide. Yes. Next we have a cone. Okay, I'll leave cone for you to do. Next we have a book. It has flat faces only. It does not have any curved faces anywhere. So it cannot roll, but it can slide. It cannot roll, but it can slide. Now they have given us a ball. Ball is sphere in shape, so it can only roll, it cannot slide. Yes, so I did 3, you can do 3. So B, E and F you are going to do for homework. Check with the points given over here for each shape and then mark the answers correctly. Yes. Next we have here curved lines and straight lines. Curved lines and straight lines. Now I have a wire with me. I have a wire with me. Another maths lab activity here. Pull a piece of string. I'm not using string, I'm using a wire tightly. If I pull it tightly, it gives you a straight line. If I pull it tightly, it gives you a straight line. Now if I try to bring my 2 hands closer, you can see it gives you a curved line. Can you see? I'm trying to bring my hands closer, it's giving me a curved line. But when I pull it straight, it gives me if I pull it tight, it gives me a straight line. Okay, so we can use a book to draw a line. We can use a book to draw a line. You can keep this to draw a line like this. We can also use a ruler. Yes, we can also use a ruler to draw lines. You can keep the ruler and draw a line. Okay, you can use the edge of a book to draw a straight line. You can also use a ruler to draw a straight line. Now here is an exercise they're given us. So what they're saying, use a ruler to join mother with the child. What kind of lines do you get? So if I take, for this exercise you need a ruler. So take your ruler. There are 2 pink dots from the mother to the child. So use the ruler to join the 2 pink dots so you can bring the mother and the child together. This is an activity that you will like, so you can do this. Take a ruler, place it neatly, see it's straight. Then you can join the hen with the chick and the cat with the kitten. Yes, and for Wednesday you can finish these exercises also. Now this is trace along the path to get the animal to its food. What kind of lines do you get? Now they're asking us to trace the dotted lines they've given us. This also you can do. Take your pencil and join the dots to see what shape you're getting. You will get a curved line. You will get a curved line. The hen to the worm, cat to milk, dog to bone. Yes, it's a little activity that you like to do, so I'm not doing it. You can try it. And the last exercise 3 says,